morning, all. Our new drawbar ball hitch came in, and it looks considerably better than the old. Yeah, I was amazed we found that thing on Amazon. It's identical. That's what we want. We're doing a little preheat action. Doggone, we had, I think 26 degrees this morning, a little snow last night. What's up with that white stuff on the trailer? Oh well, it's 1st of December. Yeah, a little warm. Get that plate warmed up good. It just welds so much better. You don't think it makes much difference, but it does when it gets cold like that. And if it's 90 degrees outside, I wouldn't be doing this. Just start welding. Oh well. Ain't far from it. We'll catch you guys later.